are getting our own Christmas tree, and it's our first time to do it. I'm so excited. But as I can see here, it's already cut.
Yeah. But in 𝓁𝒾𝓋𝑒 too.
Yeah, Lucas. So relaxing to be in the car. Hey Lucas, where are we? We're getting Christmas tree right here. It's already ready to pick up, and we are getting one, a live Christmas tree. Yeah, this one is fake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want that one?
Yeah, look at that one.
You don't want to go cut it yourself?
Yeah?
How do you use that one?
Ah, these are the prices. 200.
Yeah.
So we're getting 1.75 meters. Oh, look at here, Lucas. A lot of Christmas. We're paying our Christmas tree. Yeah, it's a lot of candles here. You want that one?
Yeah, you can get that one.
Yeah? He likes ghosts.
You can carry it.
Yeah?
They're not scary.
No, it's not scary.
It's not scary.
It's a nice ghost. Maybe you and me will go home today and watch Casper the Friendly Ghost.
Because what? They're octopus.
They're an octopus and a ladybug. Yeah? This is a Christmas tree.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. What is that one? Turtle. Only looking. Oh, seahorse. Is that a seahorse? Scalpel. See? Mommy and baby scalpel. See? Mommy and baby scalpel. But only looking, Lucas. No touching. We're gonna tape it. That's smaller. Fitting the tree. It fits inside. We got our own tree. A real Christmas tree, not a plastic. Yay. We got our tree. Is there, how much did you pay for the tree?
200.
200. Nice, 200 kroner for the Christmas tree. Live Christmas tree. And we are going home. It's snowing in Denmark. First time ko ihatid si Lucas na mag-snow. It's end of November and it's snowing. Normally it doesn't come in November, and most of it is in January, and February is the coldest. Here comes the snow. See, this is our neighborhood. This is the snowman we made yesterday. I'm so happy with these shoes. This is from Timberland. I can wear this for summer and it's nice on the snow. It's time to decorate the Christmas tree.
I hate them.
You dropped it. It's snowball. Can you make a snowball? Can you make a snow angel like mommy? Come. Making a snow angel. Hi. Oh, like it. It's still snowy here in Obibu. At least today it's a good day. Yesterday was a whole day snow, and this is what it's got. Very thick snow. This is our neighborhood here.
Where's my daddy? Where's my daddy? Where's my daddy?
What is it?
Can you follow?
Yeah, he can follow.
Can you follow daddy?
Daddy is in the office.
Is daddy walking?
Yeah. Do you wanna walk?